Hey there, investors. Jask here, ready to talk tech. Today we're diving into Broadcom, a major player in the semiconductor arena, trading under the ticker symbol AVGO. This company is a giant you need to know. They're behind the chips that power our smartphones, data centers, and even our cars. That's right, Broadcom is everywhere. They've got their fingers in a lot of pies, and that's what makes them so interesting. Broadcom's reach is massive. They design and manufacture a wide range of semiconductor products. Think Wi-Fi chips, Bluetooth chips, and even those powerful processors that crunch data in massive data centers. They're not just making these chips, they're innovating and pushing the boundaries of what's possible, and that's why they're a force to be reckoned with in the tech world. Let's break down Broadcom's areas of expertise. First up, we've got wireless connectivity. Broadcom is a leader in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth technology. They're the brains behind the chips that keep our devices seamlessly connected. Then there's broadband and infrastructure. Broadcom provides the critical components that power our internet networks and data centers. These are the backbone of our digital world. Next, we have enterprise storage. Broadcom is a big deal in data storage solutions for businesses. Think massive data centers and cloud computing. And finally, Broadcom is making waves in the industrial and automotive sectors. Their chips are finding their way into cars, factory equipment, and other industrial applications. As you can see, Broadcom has a diverse portfolio that touches many aspects of our lives. Now, let's talk about Broadcom's recent stock split. In a nutshell, a stock split is when a company divides its existing shares into multiple shares. So if you owned 1 share before the split, you own 10 shares after the split. The key thing to remember is that the total value of your investment stays the same. It's like slicing a pizza into more pieces. You still have the same amount of pizza. But why would Broadcom split its stock? Well, one reason is to make the stock more affordable for individual investors. A lower share price might attract more buyers, potentially boosting demand for the stock, and that's just one way a stock split can impact investors. There are a few other potential benefits to consider. For starters, a stock split can increase the stock's liquidity. Liquidity refers to how easily you can buy or sell a stock without affecting its price. When a stock is more liquid, it's generally easier to trade, and that can be a good thing for investors. Another potential benefit is increased visibility. A stock split often attracts media attention and generates buzz around a company. This increased visibility can make the stock more attractive to potential investors. So while a stock split doesn't change the fundamentals of a company, it can create some interesting dynamics in the market. But hold on, before you rush out and buy AVGO, let's talk about the risks. Like any investment, there's always the potential for loss. One of the biggest risks for Broadcom is the cyclical nature of the semiconductor industry. Demand for chips can fluctuate, and that can impact Broadcom's revenue and earnings. Another risk is competition. The semiconductor industry is fiercely competitive, with companies constantly vying for market share. Broadcom faces stiff competition from other industry heavyweights. And then there are the geopolitical tensions. The global semiconductor supply chain is complex and can be affected by trade disputes and political instability. So, what does the future hold for Broadcom? Well, several factors could influence its performance. One key factor is the overall demand for semiconductors. As technology continues to advance, the demand for chips is expected to grow. This could bode well for Broadcom. Another important factor is Broadcom's ability to innovate and stay ahead of the curve. The semiconductor industry is constantly evolving, so Broadcom needs to keep pushing the boundaries of technology. And of course, we can't forget about the global economy. A healthy global economy is crucial for Broadcom's success. So, there you have it. Broadcom is a major player in the semiconductor industry with a diverse portfolio and a recent stock split that has caught the attention of investors. But like any investment, there are risks to consider. The semiconductor industry is cyclical, competition is fierce, and geopolitical tensions can create uncertainty. Remember, investing is like picking stocks for a basketball team. You want the best players on your court, but before you make any investment decisions, do your homework. Consider your own financial situation, risk tolerance, and investment goals. Let me know in the comments below what you think about AVGO post-split prospects. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech stock analysis.